Good morning, children. Let's study the 30th chapter. It's a record. Here, take the correct answer. In 2015, the Dada Saheb Phalke award was conferred on. Who received Dada Saheb Phalke award? We know it is related with the movies. Manoj Kumar, Manade, Pran. The right answer is Manoj Kumar. Second question, the most filmed writer of all times, Charles Dickens, William Wordsworth, William Shakespeare. The right option is William Shakespeare. What is the question? The most filmed writer, that means the writings of a person who is largely made into movies or dramas, that is William Shakespeare. His dramas or playlets are largely we can find in movies. Third question, Dash is known as the king of rock and roll. It is Elvis Presley, Billy Ferry, Marlon Brando. The right option is Elvis Presley. We know that he is a dancer and singer. Fourth question, the person with the most number of Academy Awards from 59 nominations is John Ford, Walt Disney, Steven Spielberg. The right option is Walt Disney. Fifth question, the first movie to win a record of 11 Academy Awards was Ben-Hur and Crash, As Good As It Gets. The option, first one is the right option, Ben-Hur. Sixth one, the Indian director who has won an Academy Award for Lifetime Achievement is Raj Kapoor, Satyajit Ray, Yash Chopra. The second option is the right answer, Satyajit Ray. Seventh question, the producers of the movie Gone with the Wind were fined $5,000 for allowing this word in the movie. Which word it? Okay, it's damn, no, shucks. So the answer is damn. Here, using this word, okay, damn in the movie, the Gone with the Wind. So they were fined by the censor board. Eighth question is, Dash is the only actress in Academy history to have won 4 awards for acting. Katharine Hepburn, Meryl Streep, Julia Roberts. That is Katharine Hepburn is the right answer. Now coming to the next one is next chapter 31, high tech. That is all about computers and information technology. The first question is, how many bits make a byte? And you are studying the computer, you know that it is 8, 4, 2. Right option is 8. How many bits make a byte is 8 bits make a byte. Second question, what do the letters ROM stand for? ROM, ROM. Random only memory, read order memory, read only memory. The right answer is read only memory. Goods in shops are marked with a pattern of black and white stripes, which is called, what is it called? We can find out any goods which is sold, packed goods which is sold in the market, we can find some black and white stripes on it. So that is called barcode, barcode, barricade. The answer is barcode. Barcode. The answer is barcode. Fourth question, which of these is not a programming language? Basic, Java, Linux. Linux is the right answer. What does USB stand for? Universal Serial Bus, Universal Safe Bus, United Safe Bus. Right answer is the first option, Universal Serial Bus. Sixth question, which of these is not an internet protocol? FTP, STP, HTTP. Right option is STP. Seventh question, which one of the following is a search engine? Wikipedia, Rediff, Mail, Google. Google is the right answer. It's a search engine. We are searching many things or information in the Google. What is the another name for motherboard? CPU, floppy disk drive, system board. CPU is the another word used for motherboard. Last question, ninth question is, what does IP stand for? Internet protocol, internet ping, internet printer. The right answer is internet protocol. IP stands for internet protocol. That's all for today.